If you're like me, you've searched the internet, you've scoured YouTube looking for good boat building and boat restoration information. This is not some guy poking around on a derelict boat with a broken screwdriver. This is the real deal. Welcome to MotorCity Boat Werks. I created my YouTube channel for two reasons. First, I wanted to document the work that I was doing on the Albin 27 behind me. And second, I felt like YouTube was missing something insofar as real amateur boat building and real amateur boat restoration. I promise, if you watch my channel, you will see things you've never seen before. Maybe that's not a good thing, but we're gonna have fun, and I guarantee you're probably gonna learn something. My commitment to you is that every dollar from every Patreon will go solely towards doing stories on real amateur boat building, real amateur boat restoration, and stories of boat motivation. Don't take my word for it. Watch a couple episodes and see what you think. But if you like what we're doing, do me a favor. Join the workers, make a donation to Patreon. We'll see you next time. Stay motivated.